You live in Boston and are thinking of remodeling your kitchen. Hi, my name is Cara, and we are a Boston-based kitchen design company, BauTeam. And today I want to show you our most recent condo renovation. I hope we show you the photos before because this unit has undergone some extensive renovation. And our team was happy to be involved in the kitchen, laundry, and bar design. Let me show you. I love working with European cabinetry due to the clever design solutions that help maximize the storage space of the kitchen. This particular client is always on the go and loves to entertain, so we thought it was important to create a sleek and simple environment. It was crucial to have the kitchen pop and stand out, especially because it is the first thing as you see as you enter the unit. So there was a lot of discussion about how to achieve a modern, welcoming feel, and there are many elements that helped us execute the design that highlights the client's style as well. Mainly the color selection. We have a timeless metallic black and glossy white kitchen paired with a real wood veneer as you see here on the counter. It definitely adds warmth to the space, and the client was actually very adamant in having a real wood veneer here, and I loved how it turned out. Installing the ceiling mounted hood was a big decision, and we worked with the GC to create a design where the open shelves flows into the dropped ceiling. Not only to house the hood, but it also creates an intimate atmosphere when seated at the island. The client loved our cabinets, especially with a handleless channel. As you can see, we have standard soft closing cabinets and interior glass sides and all drawers, equipped with anti-slip mats and cutlery inserts. Spice rack next to the cooktop is very functional, and the bottom drawer on push to open, so we have the channel only on the top with our awesome lighting accessory, which controls the channel light, a control over here, and bookshelf light as well, with warming and cooling capabilities. Paneled ready dishwasher makes the design seamless with the channel running throughout. The upper cabinets in a glossy white, which reflects the light, with also integrated flush under cabinet lighting. Last but not least, my favorite, extra storage cabinets behind the island. Very useful. And condo units may have a bit more restrictions when it comes to designing, especially because we usually cannot move plumbing and other structures. As you can see here in the laundry unit, we could not move this pipe, but we worked around it. However, I loved how we continued the vibe of the kitchen into the washer dryer area over here, and we used our cabinet material for the door. You must be wondering where the refrigerator is. And because this client eats out often, we were able to get away with the refrigerator over here. Although, as I remember, it was very important for it to have an ice maker. Sorry, it's kind of an inside joke between me and the client. Lastly, we also continued the cabinet style into the bar area with our handleless channel. It gives the whole condo a seamless modern look and feel. So whether you are in a condo unit or residential home, we can find solutions to any space that fits your lifestyle. Thanks for joining me, and please comment and subscribe below to see more of our renovations in the future. See you next time.